Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to enable the WhatsApp chat bubbles on Android. If you're using WhatsApp and now you want to enable WhatsApp chat bubbles, so let's see how can you do this. For this, you just have to open your app settings and here look for notifications. Here's the notification just selected and here you have to look for WhatsApp and you have to make sure that you have allowed WhatsApp to send you notification that I have allowed. So just go back and here you have to look for more settings and then select bubbles and here you must have to enable these settings as I have already enabled it. So after that you will get bubbles chats of your WhatsApp. But if you are having issues to find the setting, you just have to go back, go from main settings and here search for bubble, just search for it and then you will get the settings. Just select it and your settings will be appear. But if you want to get the settings or if you are having any issues, you just have to update your operating system and your WhatsApp app. So first we are going to update our WhatsApp app. So just open Play Store and from here look for search for WhatsApp and here you just have to make sure that your WhatsApp app has been up to date as mine. After that, here's no any update available, so you can easily use your WhatsApp bubble. But first, you have to update your system or operating system. You must have to go for system update, and here you have to check if you have any update available. So you must have to download and install your update and after that you can easily use chat bubble on your WhatsApp app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.